What's up guys, if you guys are new to the channel, this is actually my 2003 Honda CRV, which is lifted. But before it was lifted, I had a slight problem. What's up guys, this is Ryan with JDM for All. Thank you guys so much for watching, and please do not forget to like and subscribe. So about 2 months ago, I went off-roading with my CRV before it was lifted, and I actually went over a hill that was pretty steep. So I actually bottomed out on this hill and had to be wenched off of it. And come to find out, there was actually a huge rock that I was sitting on, and actually my carrier bearing was what was sitting on it. So all of the weight of the vehicle was actually on this rock and the carrier bearing. Long story short, my carrier bearing was bent and my drive shaft was actually hitting when I was in all-wheel drive, so it did not sound good, so I had to fix it. And I didn't want to change out my whole drive shaft, so I ended up changing just the carrier bearing. So here's the drive shaft with the old bearing on it, and after we cut the boot, which is inside here, then we were able to actually separate the drive shaft and start working on removing the bearing. After hammering this metal piece off right here, then it was pretty easy to take off the bearing and then put on the new one. And this is the picture of us installing the new bearing and the metal cap which holds it. And then we put the drive shaft back together with a boot. I believe this new bearing cost $64 on eBay. Before we installed the brand new bearing and drive shaft, we installed the old bearing without the drive shaft and hammered it so it was straight again, so when we installed the new one, it would look great. And this is a picture of the drive shaft reinstalled with the new bearing, and it runs great. I've taken it off-roading and it definitely works. And now my CRV is lifted and it runs great, and I am super happy about this. Alright guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.